Good morning. Just going to give you a quick walkthrough of today's job. So we've got a mixture of surfaces today. We've got block paving, we've got slabs, we've got concrete, we've got everything. So we're going to start over in this corner, all this block paving, and I come all the way around here. That's to this point, and it opens up into a little patio. I'm just going to turn you around, I think. So yeah, small patio over here. Another one over here, which is absolutely covered in black spot, white lichen, and just grime. That's the actual colour over there. Then we've got these concrete pathways. They aren't too bad, but they've got quite a bit of staining when you go up this end. So yeah, I'll get set up and let's get cracking. take you through what we've done. So this is the patio area. It was completely black, covered in black spot. Got most of it off, there's still a few little patches. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And here is the block paving. Really happy with how this turned out. Still, the drainage is pretty poor. But yeah, really happy with it, it looks lovely. I'll show you all the way around the back. Had to be quite careful with chemical on this one because obviously there's all the flower beds around the edge, so I could only use a certain amount. So there's still a little bit of black spot on this one. That's as good as we've got down the back here. Wasn't too bothered about treating any of this, so I've just cleaned it off the best I could. So yeah, it's come up really nice. I've made a mess of the garden by dumping all my equipment. I didn't think I'd need the gutter vac, but the drainage was so poor I've had to vacuum everything away. So now we're just going to move over a little bit and get started on the passage down the side and across the front of the house. So we're all finished on this job now. I just thought I'd give you a quick walkthrough just to show you how we got on. It took a lot longer than expected. There was a hell of a lot of black spot around. But it has come up nice. Just got to nip back and re-sand all the block paving, but I'll do that later on this week. So let's give you a quick walkthrough. So here's where I started. That's come up pretty nice. There's a few silt patches like you can just see just here. I'll need to sort those when I come back to re-sand. Here around here. There's no moss in the gaps anymore, which is nice. So this is the first patio. Didn't go too heavy with chemicals here, mainly because they've got this lovely, I think it's a type of clematis, I'm not really sure. It goes all the way along, and that's where its roots are. So as you can see, there's some black spot left around here because I really didn't want to go too heavy on chemical. Then we come back over to the main patio area. If I jump up here, we can give you a good little look. It's quite nice, definitely needs repointing. Customer knew this anyway. Just looks darker down here because of the shadow. That section all the way down here had already been done by the customer. I've just popped a little bit of chemical down there to sort out the black spot that was left over. And then let's carry on. So I've just cleaned over this side, all the way down here, which is looking nice and clean. These are just hose marks. I'll rinse them down in a second before I leave. It's where I've dragged my hoses back up to wind them. Yeah, still a few little bits of black spot down here, but again, customer said they weren't really too bothered, and I didn't charge for this, I just did it for free. So we've done down here. Yeah, really pleased with how it's turned out. So yeah, thanks everybody. Just wanted to say thanks for watching. If you've made it this far into the video, I really appreciate it. This isn't something I really know how to do. I'm just enjoying learning as I go. So yeah, thank you very much. Hopefully see you in the next one. Cheers.